Hi guys, thank you for always stay tuned with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a mini Santa hat like this. I'll use it for my headband like this and then attach it to here. And this is very cute. I hope you like this and I hope this tutorial very useful for you. If you like it, just click comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start it. I use 5 ply for the white and 4 ply for the red one. I use 3.5 mm of wool. I need needle, marker and also sizer here. For the first row, make magic ring first and then make slip knot like this. Okay. Now make 6 single crochet here. 1. Put your marker so you don't miss counting for total of stitch in this row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now pull this short yarn, okay, like it, and then take this marker and work with single crochet to the first stitch here. This is the first stitch here. Now I will make increase of single crochet here. So increase here you have 2 single crochet in each of stitch. This is the first stitch and then I will add once more of single crochet in this stitch. Move to the next here. Three, 4, 5, 6. Move to the next here. 7, 8. So you have to left remain stitch here. 9, 10. And you have 1 stitch remain here. 11, 12. So in total you will have 12 stitch in the second row. Now we move to the next row, third row. We make 1 single crochet for each of stitch here. This one. So put marker again. Move to the next. 1 single crochet. And move to the next. 1 single crochet. Move to the next. 1 single crochet. And move to the next. 1 single crochet. So you make 1 single crochet for each of stitch here. Just repeat the same pattern as third row to the row 4 and row 5. I will show you when I already complete row 4 and 5. This is row number 4. This is the row number 5. And then I will move to the row number 6. In this row, you will work for 2 first stitch, make single crochet here, 1, this is the first single crochet, and make another single crochet, 2. In the third stitch, make increase or 2 single crochet in the same stitch here. Okay, move to the next, make 1 single crochet, and move to the next, make 1 single crochet. To the next stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Next, 1 single crochet, and the next one, 2 single crochet in the same stitch here. And now move to the next, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet to the next again, and the last stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Here in this 6th row, in total you should get 16 stitch here. For the 7 until to the 8 rows, make 60 single crochets. So move to the next row, 7 rows, make 1 single crochet for each of stitch. So here, move to the next, 1 single crochet, move to the next, 1 single crochet, and move to the next, 1 single crochet, move to the next, 1 single crochet. Same as 7 rows, make same pattern. This is 8th row. Now we move to the 9th row. In 9th row, for the first 3 stitch, you make single crochet for each of stitch. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Move to the next, makes 1 single crochet, 1, move to the next, 2, 3. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Now move to the next, 1, move to the next again, 2, move to the next, 3. And then in the next stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. In this row, you should have 20 stitches in total. in the tie rows, you need to make single crochet for each of stitch. Repeat this one pattern until to here. This is the 10 rows. Now we move to the 11 rows. For the 11 rows, the 4 stitches here, we make one single crochet for each. So here, 2, 3, 4. For the next stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then make 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in the next stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then make 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 2 single crochet in same stitch, and then make 4 single crochet, 2, 3, 4. In the last stitch, make 2 single crochet. In total, you should get 24 stitches in this row. Now we move to the 12 rows. In here, you should work for one single crochet for each of stitch. Just repeat this until to here. Okay, now take this marker and make slip this to the first stitch here. So this one. Okay, like this. And now for the 13 rows, change the color to the white. And this one, pull this. Okay, cut this red yarn. Okay, okay. Now pull this red yarn and then make single crochet but in the front loop only. Okay, one, and then yeah, make again, move to the next. This one, this is the front loop. So you don't take to loop here. Usually to loop like this. But now for the front loop, you only take one yarn, but in the front side. Next one. Okay. So if you see here, this one is the back loop, and we work for the front loop only here. Make the front loop until to here. And now for the 14 and 15 rows, work with a normal single crochet here. Just put your hook to the first stitch here, and then make single crochet as usual, and then put your marker here. Now move to the 50 row. This is the last row for this project. Make single crochet as you do in the 14 rows before. Okay, just repeat it until to this marker. This is my 15 rows. Now I will slip stitch to the first row here, and then I will cut the remaining yarn. Okay, just cut this yarn and hide this remaining yarn. Put it like this, and yeah, your Santa has already finished. And this is the look of my Santa. And I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, just click comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.